What's up guys, do you remember Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro? I tested that smartwatch about 2 months ago on our channel Tech Brothers. Now I have Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro. As you can see, they differ in shape of the screen. Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro has a round screen, while Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro comes with a square display. However, this is not the only difference between these smartwatches. Let's do a full review of Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro, talk about its main features, and then find out which smartwatch is better to buy for you. I didn't tell you about the main features of the new Zeblaze smartwatch, but you can read them on the box, such as Ultra HD AMOLED display, answer and make phone calls, 24 hours health management, and multiple sport modes. Inside the box are the smartwatch, a magnetic charging cable, and a user manual. You know this is the standard package content for Zeblaze watches. I tested the Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro in a gold color and it looked very expensive and premium. As for the new Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro, I got it in black color. However, it is also available in white and pink. Another important difference between Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro and a GTS 3 Pro is the case material. The new smartwatch is made of plastic and only the crown is a stainless steel. Zeblaze smartwatch with a round screen has a hand-polished stainless steel bezel. To be honest, a smartwatch with a square display looks and feels cheaper. However, Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro has a very nice strap. It looks like it has a fabric coating on the outside, and the inside is silicone. It is very pleasant to touch and durable at the same time. By the way, the strap is removable, so you can replace it with any other 22mm wide strap. As I already said, the new smartwatch has Bluetooth phone calls, so we can see a microphone hole and a speaker on the rear panel. There are also magnetic charging contacts and health tracking sensors on the back. Now let's take a look at the display of Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro, because it is probably the main difference from Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro. First, it is square-shaped. Please write in the comments under the video whether you like watches with round or square dials. Since the Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro has a square screen, it is much more diagonal than Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro with a round screen, 1.97 and 1.43 inches respectively. It also has higher resolution of 415 by 500 pixels. Otherwise, the screens of Zeblaze watches are the same, such as AMOLED panels and up to 1000 nit brightness. By the way, the brightness of both smartwatches is very good, so we can see there are displays outside without any problems. When it comes to functions, the watches have different interfaces. I'm going to focus on Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro, but if you want to see the functions of Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro, you can watch the video by the link in description. First, there are 4 watch faces available on the new watch. However, there is a very large choice of dials available in the app. Then you can swipe right to see the menu with digital time, date, phone dial, weather, daily stats, screen time, display settings, and phone dial again. Some of these functions are not very useful in daily use, but I haven't found how to replace them. You can also swipe down and change the screen brightness here. Control music, turn on Do Not Disturb mode, flashlight. Phone calls. Go to Settings, System Info, and find Phone. The new messages are available by swiping up. Finally, you can open widgets by swiping right, such as Daily Stats, Heart Rate, Sleep, Weather, and Music. You can also press on plus button to add workout or remove widgets you don't need. The menu with all the functions is opened by pressing the crown on the side of the watch. By the way, you cannot twist the crown to navigate the menu, so it is actually a simple button. The full list of Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro functions is as follows: telephone, contact person, call records, contacts, voice assistant, data, workout, workout records, heart rate, sleep, blood pressure, blood oxygen, messages, weather, female, music, press, training, stopwatch, timer, alarm clock, business card, find phone, calendar, camera, and settings. I also want to show you the settings. First, we can change the menu style. Display settings include brightness, screen time, raise to wake, and always-on display. By the way, Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro has an AMOLED screen, so it has an always-on display mode. However, you can only choose between digital or analog clocks. In battery settings, we can see the battery level and enable power-saving mode. Then we can choose a vibration mode from off, soft, or strong. The smartwatch supports many languages. The other options in the settings menu are QR code, set time, password, and system, such as shutdown, restart, and reset. I will not dwell too long on the mobile app for Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro because it is the same as Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro. The application is called FitCloud app and it is available on Android and iOS devices. As already said, there are many watch faces available in the app. Then you can enable notifications about new messages and select apps that can send notifications to your watch. By the way, the smartwatch has only 8 workout modes out of the box, but you can go into Sports Rush in the app and upload additional sports modes on the watch. Finally, you need to go to the Favorite Contacts menu and add contacts to quickly call them from the watch. Now let's compare Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro and the GTR 3 Pro a bit more. Both have a 260 mAh battery. However, the battery life of Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro is a little longer, 15 days in typical usage mode and 7 days in a heavy usage mode. The smartwatch with a round dial has 14 days and 5 days in typical and heavy usage mode. So let's summarize. After testing Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro and the GTR 3 Pro, I found that I liked the watch with a round dial better. In addition, the bezel of Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro is made of stainless steel. However, Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro has a very nice strap. Even though the square display has a much larger diagonal, it is the same AMOLED panel with always-on mode support and 1000 nits of brightness. The smartwatches have slightly different interfaces, but overall, the functions are the same. The companion app on smartphone is also the same. The battery life of Zeblaze GTS 3 Pro is a bit longer, but it really depends on the usage mode. So these are very similar smartwatches, and I think you just need to choose which dial shape you prefer, round or square. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!